Hey, Shorty, those real Rice Krispies?
Huh?
You got genuine Kellogg's Rice Krispies?
Always.
Give you $1 for 'em.
I'd rather have the Rice Krispies.
You get a whole lot of dollars. Buy yourself a motorbike.
Wow! Uncle Woody, look at all the money I got for some Rice Krispies.
$100. Guess we don't call you knothead for nothing.
I'm gonna get a motorbike.
Yes, yes. I'll be right back.
It looked mighty good, but no snap, no crackle, no pop. I've been strangled with big Rice Krispies.
Clean up your house, mister? For a quarter and these Rice Krispies.
It's a deal.
There you are, knothead. Start saving up for your motorbike.
Wow! It's gonna be a rice day.
Swindled again.